Well, hello, everybody.
Me again. It's Christmas time.
I'm in the season of gift giving
I'm a fan of gold knives. I bought a gold knife recently,
that I really liked.
so I'm going to give it to my cousin Blaine.
Hello, Blaine.
It also has bone features on it. It was made in a quality compromised environment. It needs Loctite, some little tweaking.
It's sharp, good enough steel.
I'm going to show you the breakdown and the rebuild of this knife.
We're gonna have some fun.
So that's essentially it. We'll get a good clean real quick. Now we will start with reassembly of the knife. This one you gotta get tensioned correctly so that the blade will open up easily. It's a little bit too tight. That's good right there. Perfect.
Merry Christmas, Blaine.